Have you understood it? Because people don't understand why would they ask questions. I'll not make any very inquisitive or high-ended comments. Very simple ones I would say. When the nature created human being, he was very careful and he was very socialist. He didn't create much of a difference between two human beings. And therefore problem wasn't much. There's a famous saying that the God has created men equal, but the Webley's court has made them unequal. So moment anybody has got huge weaponry or huge technology, they become terribly unequal. Babur was able to vanquish Indian rulers because he had a superior Topkhana. In modern times in Iraq war, using drone and other trajectory weaponry, US was able to vanquish middle world. So also in the field of technology, probably had there not been Google or modern technology or satellites, we wouldn't have cared for America. We are more snobbish than Americans are. And definitely in Jugaad matters, we are much more Jugadu. But using the modern advanced technology in almost all fields, be it IMF, be it World Bank, be it satellite issues, be it Google, be it weaponry, and anything for that matter, they are far ahead of us. And therefore, we as individual human being, or we as a nation, or in between we as an organization, have no choice but to adopt the latest competitive technology. For the companies to survive, or for nations to survive, earlier it was enough to recruit brave soldiers, or to recruit intelligent and brave civil servants, or to recruit gold medalist scientists. But now that is no more enough. Bravest of your soldier can be defeated if he doesn't have modern weaponry, and best of your civil servant would fail if he doesn't have support of the latest technological software and hardware. Therefore, my understanding in the government is we don't have a choice. And that's why most of the people sitting here are, I think, on the wrong side of 30 and 40 and 50. Doesn't have much of a choice. We have a competition from youngsters. We have competition from the smarter guys. We have competition from smarter companies across the globe. And therefore, each one of us, first we have to struggle to have the latest in our hand. And secondly, there's a saying, don't take me wrong, whoever marries a good-looking wife has to look after her throughout the life. So therefore, if we go for advanced technology, we have to guard and ensure that it is not taken away. Thank you.